Hi, my name is Samantha Kennedy, and I'm a Family and Consumer Sciences agent with the University of Florida IFAS Extension Service. And today I'm going to go through the process of making a quick and easy dessert called key lime pie. It's a pretty quick and easy dessert because there's only a few ingredients and it's not hard to get all the ingredients combined together. So we're starting out with a can of sweetened condensed milk. I've already poured it into this bowl. And then what you need are 3 large eggs, or 3 large egg yolks. And I've already put one in here, so I'm just going to crack the other 2. And you just want to reserve the yolk part, and you can save the whites for another use. So there's 2. Oh, gotta rescue it. Okay, and then that's the 3rd one. Okay, so I'm gonna just wipe my hands here. I like to combine them like this, just together with a rubber spatula. It's a good way to combine these liquid ingredients, just so that you break up the egg yolk a little bit. And then we're going to add 1/2 cup of lime juice, key lime juice. Just mix that until it's well combined. I'm going to switch over here to the wire whisk. Might be a little easier. Yeah, that's much better. Whisking it together with the wire whisk. It's faster to get those ingredients combined together. And you want it to be nice and smooth. You don't want to see any egg yolk swirls in there or anything like that. So once that's fully combined, then the next step is to add them to our shells. And so we're not going to make one large pie today. We're going to make a bunch of little ones. And so these are just mini graham cracker crusts that you could buy pre-made in the store. And we're just going to pour the filling in until it's just about to the rim for each one. These don't rise, so you can fill them almost to the brim and you won't have to worry about them baking over the edge of the pie shell. And there's a little extra, so we could have filled a couple more of these if we wanted to, but that's really all there is to it. When you bake it in the oven, it's going to take a little less time than if you made one large pie, and so it's about 10 minutes for the smaller ones, where it's about 15 minutes for one large one. So that's a quick and easy, delicious dessert that's sure to be a crowd pleaser.